Are cracks in your home and musty smell a sign of a much larger problem? Superior Stabilization not only does seawall stabilization and repair, but uses the same procedure and prime resin. Homes that are exhibiting signs of settlement and water intrusion can be fixed. So if you see floor or wall cracks, uneven walls, or sticky windows and doors, call Superior Stabilization for a free analysis. Integrity counts, and Superior Stabilization stands behind their work with a lifetime warranty on the repairs they do to your home, because they use prime resin that doesn't break down, leaving you peace of mind.